Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the standalone components in the Angular. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So standalone components are self-contained components that can be used without being declared in ng module. They can import other components, directives, and the pipes directly, making them ideal for building modular and reusable UI components. Standalone components were introduced in Angular 17. Key benefits: reduce boilerplate code. No need to define ng modules for the simpler components. Improved modularity. Components can be organized independently, making them easier to test and maintain. Faster development, quicker setup, and iteration time for the new components. Enhanced flexibility. Components can be used across different parts of your application without complex module configurations. How to create them? So this is a basic step. ng generate component products standalone. By default in the Angular v19, they all are standalone. So you will never need to type standalone true again with this change components like. Okay. So here I have the component like I have created that one. So here you can see that products component and then TS file. Okay. I don't need to define this. By default, it comes like this one. Okay. If I just go to my front end, here you can see slash products. This is my route. So here you can see that this is the standalone component and this is whatever I'm going to type, it will come over here. Okay. So in the components.html file, what I have write. Okay, so here we have the HTML file. Here you can say this is a standalone component and this is router outlet. Okay, so what do you mean by router outlet? You have to read my Angular tutorial for routing. Okay, and here we have defined the routes for the slash component, first component, and for the products we are going to launch our component, that is products component. Okay, so this is how you can make a standalone component and use it in our routes and use that one. Okay, and anything we left with? I think no. So there is a one more thing, that is when to use the standalone components. Small reusable components, perfect for the simple components that don't require complex module configuration. Micro frontends, ideal for the building isolated components that can be shared across the different applications. Rapid prototyping, quickly create and test new components without the overhead of the ng modules. Important consideration: shared modules. If you have a common directives to pipes, services that need to be shared across the multiple standalone components, you can create a shared module and import it into the standalone. Routing. While standalone components can be used in routing configurations, you still need to define a root module for your application to bootstrap the routing process. Okay, so this is the simple example of the routing, and by default you don't need to define like this. Okay, in the Angular v19, because I have, if I create this as a standalone, it will not add the standalone because by default it's standalone, right? So this is what about the standalone components. I hope you understand what exactly it is, and without any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.